Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to block a contact on your Telegram app, which is very easy for most people. If you already know that, skip this video and go watch some other of my video. Now click on your Telegram app to start it up. And then I have so many contacts here. If you want to block a particular contact, click on the contact to open them up. Click on the particular name of the contact. Click on this three-dotted icon, and you are going to notice where it says block a user, right? Go ahead and click on the block a user. Now it's going to confirm that you want to block that particular user, so go ahead and click on block user. So once you click on block user, you notice below it says the user has been blocked. Now if I back this out, this contact is going to be deleted. And now if this person send you a message, you are no longer going to get their message. So guys, there is nothing much for this video. I really appreciate your time watching it, and thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe guys. Peace.